my name is Hayes for those of y'all who do not know, and today I'm going to be showing y'all how to make shrimp scampi pasta. It's really fast, really yummy, and yeah, let me just bring y'all in a little bit closer so y'all can see everything that y'all are gonna need. Okay, so this is everything that you're gonna need. You're gonna need some shrimp, any kind of shrimp that you want. Have it with the shell alone or however you want to do it. Any kind of shrimp that you want. But yeah, you're gonna need shrimp. You're gonna need 1/4 a cup of butter, which is just one of these little cubes right here. I do have extra because I do want mine to be extra saucy. This recipe does require 4 cloves of garlic. I have about 7 just because I love garlic. And then you're gonna need 2 tablespoons of parsley, juice from a 1 whole lemon, salt and pepper to taste, and of course the pasta. I got angel hair pasta, but you can get any kind of spaghetti pasta that you like. And then you're also gonna need a dry white wine. I just got this one, Pinot Grigio, which I am sure I'm not saying that correctly. I do apologize for that. I don't know if I mentioned, but you are gonna need some kind of dish to put everything in. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get started and jump into it. Okay, so let's just go ahead and begin. I do apologize for the weird angle. I have nobody to help me film, so yeah, I do apologize for that, but let's just go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna wash my hands really fast. Okay, first off, I'm gonna go ahead and put my shrimp inside my pan. Okay, this pan's not big enough, so give me 1 second. Okay, so I already went and got my shrimp transferred in a bigger pan. I try to prop my pan up so y'all are able to see my shrimp. So now I'm gonna go ahead and cut up my garlic. So now that I have the garlic nice and chopped up, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in the pan. You are going to need your butter to be fairly melted. Mine is pretty soft. As you can see, it's been setting out. So mine is pretty melted, but I am gonna go ahead and melt it a little bit more in the microwave. So I'm just going to plop it in here. And then because I did want it to be extra buttery, I am going to take the other half. But like I said, the recipe only requires for 4 garlics and 1/4 of a cup of butter. Just one little thing of butter like this. But I did put extra butter and I did put extra garlic. So now I'm gonna go ahead and plop this in the microwave so it can melt just a little bit more. So now that my butter is nice and melted, I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the pan as well. And then you're gonna need the juice from 1 whole lemon. I tell you what, this lemon had a lot of seeds. You're gonna need 1/2 cup of white wine. And then I'm going to put some black pepper. You put as much black pepper as you like. And then I am going to put salt. So now it should look something like that. And we're just gonna go ahead and toss everything together. So now that everything's done, your dish should look something like this. Now I'm gonna go ahead and plop this in the oven for 10 minutes at 425 degrees. Along with the pasta, I already do have some boiling water boiling over there. So I am gonna put the pasta in as well. And this should boil for about 10 minutes. So once you take it out of the oven, it should look something like this. And now we're gonna go ahead and get our parsley and just sprinkle it all through. Or all on, I should say. And then we're just gonna go ahead and toss that around. That looks so good. Only if y'all could smell how good it is. It smells phenomenal. Okay, and now that that's like that, we're gonna go ahead and take our pasta and just throw our pasta straight in. And that's it. It's super easy. You put it all together like that. Let me zoom y'all in for a close-up. And now for the best part, let's go ahead and dig in. Oh my god, that's so good. It's like all the butter and garlic in there. So yummy. You can taste the wine, and the shrimp is perfectly cooked. If I didn't make this myself, I would have thought it came from like Olive Garden or somewhere. Like, it's so yummy. So much flavor. It's like easy comfort, happy food. That took like what, 15 minutes? 5 minutes for preparation, 10 minutes for the noodles and the shrimp, and then that's it. It was so easy, but in those 10 minutes that this was cooking, I was able to clean up, wash dishes, and I'm done. So yeah, if you want to go ahead and you want to try this recipe, I'll leave everything that you're going to need in the description bar down below. So yeah, this was it. This is super simple, super easy, and very delicious. If you do want to go ahead and recreate it, don't forget to go ahead and tag me on Instagram at Hayes1990. And if you like this video and you would like more videos like this, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below so I can know what kind of video you would like me to do next. And yeah, don't forget to go ahead, subscribe, and hit that notification bell as well. Until next time, bye!